Okay, come here with you.
Okay. The mosques are calling for prayer. I don't know if you can hear that. Good morning internet, it is 9:10 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome here in Tanger Med, here in Morocco. The weather is, it's a little bit dubious. There are some amazing clouds. I don't know if you can, how well you can see this, but it's almost purple. It's really, wow, looks pretty stunning. Hopefully it's not going to rain too much today. Anyway, I am going to show you my new map. This is my new map that I'll be using. As you can see, well, this is only a small part of Africa. So this is only the western part of Africa, and then it goes all the way down here. But I thought this will keep me entertained for a while. I'm in Morocco, and I am somewhere over here, I think. So in the last video, I took the ferry here from Algeciras in Spain, and I just went across to the other side. And today I'm going to this place, Chefchaouen, which is only 160 kilometers, but I think I'm gonna go right through the Rif Mountains. So there are a few mountain ranges here in Morocco. You got the Rif Mountains, then you got the, here it also says Atlas Mountains, and then here you have the Anti-Atlas. So of course I'll be riding in the mountains, although, well, I will tell you when I get on the bike, because yesterday I had a little chat with the guy who works here, and now I'm starting to doubt my plan of riding in the mountains of Morocco. But anyway, I'll tell you about that later. Let me show you where I parked Alaska. They let me park her right in here, look. The light will switch on if I walk here, I think. Yes. There I go. That was a pretty nice hotel to stay the first night here in Morocco. Had an amazing breakfast as well. It's really, really nice. So this guy who works in the hotel, super nice guy. And I'm asking him like, hey, is it normal that there's a lot of rain this time of the year in Morocco? And I think he said that this week and the next, it's the coldest ever in Morocco. He said something about -8. So I was like, oh, that's proper cold. And of course, high up in the mountains in the Atlas, I think it's pretty high. I think up to like 3,000 meters, maybe a bit more. So it's snowing there. So yeah, let's just see. You know, I'm gonna of course try to ride the high Atlas, the mountains and everything, but it might be a little bit too early in the season for that. One last look at the Mediterranean Sea. Won't be seeing that for a long time to come. I have to pay toll here, but it doesn't register me, so the car doesn't come out. I think he's calling someone. This is already the second one I tried, because before I was standing over there. The same problem. Sometimes I wish I had a reverse. Just doesn't see motorcycles or something. I'm just gonna ask the guys there, because otherwise I'll be here next year. Bonjour. No ticket, no say. Je ne sais pas. Talvez mi moto, no ticket. No. No ticket. El sensor no.
Yes, the flesh green. It is green and
No.
the box blue.
I try both.
Change other direction.
I try both. Doesn't work. Okay.
Okay. Carry with
Okay.
Okay. Oh, no. Yes. Move, one. There you go. Upward here.
Yeah, merci. Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you. Shukran. Bye. Woohoo. Okay, only took 25 minutes or something. Eventually another guy rocked up and then the ticket came out within 2 seconds, so I don't know what he did. I need to stop somewhere to put my gloves back on. I was too excited. I'm like, yes, let's go. Yeah, it is so green out here, hey. Beautiful. I have been climbing quite a bit. Look at that. Yeah, why not? If it fits, it sits. Let's see here. Doesn't look like fresh snow. Oh, you hear that? It is a bit icy. I kind of feel like I have the entire Rif Mountains to myself. There is absolutely nobody on this road. Except for I saw a few guys working on the road. Other than that, there's no traffic here. It's just my kind of place. What a view. Fantastic. I'm here, I'm in Chefchaouen. Look at that backdrop. Oh. Awesome. That's really cool. Well, and soon you will notice everything starts to look blue. Well, I say welcome to Morocco, eh? Now I feel like I am truly in Morocco. This is cool. Oh no, this must be the main square. Oh, let me actually fill up. Then I don't have to do that for my next ride. That's a good idea. Salam. Si, oui, complète. Et aussi, شكرا. Right. Gas. Somewhere here should be a hotel. Oh, it's up top there. See it now? Go in here, yeah. Here. Salam. Let's see if I can stay the night here.
You have a nice motor.
Thank you.
I have got a room. Look at it. It's really cute. Like a little bed and then couch, sitting area. They even have a fridge. And then I have the most amazing view. Look at this. Oh, it is awesome. And the people that run this place are really, really nice. His name is Abdul and her name is Niema. I think Niema it was. Super, super friendly. So I'm just going to take my motorbike gear off and then head into town and see if I can find something for lunch and just have a little look around town. So before I head into town, I'm actually just going to go to the rooftop because they have an incredible view over town from the roof. Quickly show you. Check this out. Look at this. Amazing, right? So I can say, welcome to the blue pearl of Morocco. Oh, sun is bright. I should have brought my sunglasses. I have a mission because this hair is not just helmet hair. This morning I realized that I forgot to bring my hair comb with me, so I couldn't brush my hair. Small problem. So now I'm just going to first find a comb. Where would they sell that? Maybe like a little shop.
Habla español.
¿Español?
Sí, dime.
Estoy buscando algo para el pelo, para... Oh, that was easy. It was literally the first shop that I stepped into. And now I have a comb. It's not the type of comb that I thought I was going to buy, but hey. Oh, look at this. Isn't this just picture perfect? Anyway, I'm sure this will work, and it's a nice souvenir from Morocco. A very pink comb. Funny, because the guy in the shop was speaking Spanish, so maybe after all. Oh, look at this little alley. How cool. So yeah, maybe after all, my Spanish can come in use in Morocco as well. oranges look really good. Salam. I just love all these little alleys everywhere. So this town was built in the early 1400s, but then supposedly it wasn't blue then. And there are several theories as to why everything is blue here. And some people say it's to repel mosquitoes, others say it's to keep the houses cool in summertime. But I think the main theory is that in the early 1900s, a lot of Jews were fleeing for Second World War, and they came here to Morocco, lots of them. And the color blue for Jews represents the sky, and that reminds people of heaven and God. So that's why they think that only in the early 1900s people started to paint houses blue, and they've just been doing that ever since. And these streets are just awesome, right? You're from here?
Yeah, Chefchaouen.
Chefchaouen. This your house?
Yes, the house.
I love it. It's an amazing place.
Welcome. Yusuf.
Yusuf.
Yes, Said.
Said.
Yes, one.
Noor Ali.
Oh.
Noor Ali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, look at the little puppy. The mosques are calling for prayer. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, I am loving these little streets. It's just amazing. I wonder where this goes to. Let's check it out. Because all this time I am still looking for food as well. Oh, hey kitty. Hi. 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 You're sweet. Alright. You hungry too? Right. Where does this go to? Find a restaurant somewhere here. Right, I don't know how to say this without that it sounds like I'm exaggerating, but that food, it's some of the best food I ever had. Honestly, that was delicious. I couldn't even finish all of it, so I brought this with me to have a snack for tonight. But I ordered a tangine, which is a clay pot dish, which is a typical Moroccan dish, and it had apricots in it and dates, and it was absolutely divine. So yeah, that was it for today. First real taste of Morocco, I'd say. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, and then I'm gonna see you in the next video.